So you are asking me for 20 rupees. I am sanctioned 30 rupees. So you give it to me. मैंने उनको कहा मेरे पास द्रौपदी की थाली है, जितने लोग खाना खाने के लिए आना है आओ, कोई कमी नहीं है. So I always tell it. And before end of 24, we will at least spend more than 3 lakh crore on road construction in Andhra Pradesh. That already the promise I want to give you. I really give you this promise because I am confident that my ministry is never don't have, any time we don't have any shortage of money. I have a car from Toyota, from Japan, and next week I am going to launch that car by using green hydrogen, making hydrogen from water. I have a car from Toyota, from Japan, and next week I am going to launch that car by using green hydrogen, making hydrogen from water. My suggestion to the Honorable Chief Minister that my vision is we can make green hydrogen from sewage water. In my own constituency in Nagpur, we are selling our toilet water, sewage water to Government of Maharashtra for power generation, and we are getting 325 crore rupees per year for corporation from the Government of Maharashtra. Now the idea is everywhere in municipal corporation, we can use this sewage water free of charge, and rooftop solar with windmill, the power cost will be very, very reasonably less. And electrolyzer, now in Bangalore, actually last month I was supposed to go there to inaugurate the factory. The new talented engineers from USA, the Indian engineers, they have started the manufacturing of electrolyzer. Cost is very less, and we can make green hydrogen. And after that we want to compress it. We will use generator on ethanol, green fuel making from rice and sugarcane juice and molasses. So we can make green hydrogen. The mission of our government and the Prime Minister to make Indian economy strong with hydrogen mission. Now we are importing the crude oil and gas and petroleum of 8 lakh crores. And next five years it will go up to 25 lakh crores. As a farmer, I am trying from 2004. Constantly I am pursuing that diversification of agriculture towards energy and power sector. हमारे देश का किसान अन्नदाता केवल नहीं रहेगा, ऊर्जादाता बनना चाहिए. That is exactly I want to tell you. That we are launching flex engine. The meaning of flex engine means you can use ethanol or petrol both. So Toyota, Hyundai, Suzuki has already promised me to start their manufacturing for flex engine. I already launched scooter and bike from Bajaj and TVS on flex engine. The ethanol rate is 62 rupees and the petrol rate is 110 rupees. Today in Andhra Pradesh we have surplus of rice. The broken rice is available. The 1 ton of broken rice is giving 480 liters of bioethanol. And today in the country 150 projects are in the process to making ethanol from rice cut, broken rice, and that can be a great thing for the country. Andhra Pradesh can be a growth center for manufacturing of ethanol, manufacturing of green hydrogen, and a lot of automobile industries are already developed here. I know that the Kakinada port have a lot of factories, they are making biodiesel from the Pomolian West, and that diesel is used in our area also. So making this biofuel and green fuel is the need of the country. The ethics, economy, ecology and environment, these are the 3 important things. And out of which I will request Honorable Chief Minister that regarding this ecology and environment, the air pollution, the water pollution and sound pollution is the big concern for the country. And as a transport minister, now we are working on public transport system on electricity. We can make ropeway, cable car, funicular railway. Already we have sanctioned 16 projects in in Himachal Pradesh and 15 projects in Uttarakhand. If you have any projects in Andhra Pradesh, kindly give this project to me, we will sanction it. I will promise to him that I am going to sanction this Eastern Ring Road, but my only request is Regarding land acquisition, there is a 50% contribution from me. That was the condition given by the administration, my ministry. But I will make relaxation in that. You give me GST exemption on steel and cement only on that project because that is a notional loss, and by which giving royalty-free aggregate material, and at the same time giving government land free of charge. And just there is a government land is available, give me for the logistic part, which can be helpful for the development of your state. So I am going to sanction that. Third, your proposal was regarding ROBs. So you are asking me for 20 ROBs. I am sanctioned 30 ROBs. So you give it to me. My ministry is such a ministry that I don't have any problem about resources. I know how to get the resources. And that is the reason just at one function in Uttar Pradesh with Yogi ji, मैंने उनको कहा मेरे पास द्रौपदी की थाली है, जितने लोग खाना खाने के लिए आना है आओ, कोई कमी नहीं है. So I always telling to the people that if there is a political will, strong political will is the basic strength for making new projects and good infrastructure. When I visit every time in Vijayawada, I always remember the days when I was very, very touchy with the project of Polavaram. At that time, there was a lot of challenges, lot of problems. I am emotionally very, very touchy and it's a subject which is very much related to core of my heart. Once a time, though I am not a water resources minister now, but when the project will completed, after that, once I will come here to see the complete project, that will give me tremendous good satisfaction because I am also very much touchy for that project. And before end of 24, we will at least spend more than 3 lakh crore on road construction in Andhra Pradesh. That already the promise I want to give you. I will really give you this promise because I am confident that my ministries never don't have, any time we don't have any shortage of money. Yesterday I was in Bhatinda in Punjab. We are constructing a lot of express highway in Punjab, in Uttar Pradesh, everywhere in the part of the country because the infrastructure, road infrastructure is very important. We have decided to construct 22 green express highway to increase the business in infrastructure and particularly for container traffic. As far as railway is concerned, there is totally traffic jam is there. And that is the reason that we decided to construct the Greenfield Express Highway from Raipur to Visakhapatnam. It goes through Chhattisgarh and Orissa and Andhra Pradesh. The 15 packages are there. Project length is 465 kilometers and project cost is 16,102 crore. Already 356 kilometer road construction is awarded. Under bidding is 109 kilometers, and 100% I will promise to all of you that before end of 2024, we will complete this express highway, which can be really very, very important for Andhra Pradesh, Orissa and Chhattisgarh.